Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Pete's Gias. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing parts for my Type 34 karmannghia. I'm back for another Type 34 video. The last one was pretty popular, so I thought I would do a follow-up. Unfortunately, I haven't started working on the car yet. I just don't have the time right now. It's just on the back burner. But what I do have is a bunch of parts that I've been collecting for it for the last couple of years. I'm not even sure what's in some of these boxes because I ordered them a long time ago and I'm bad at keeping inventory. So I'm gonna open these boxes and we're gonna see what's inside. This is gonna be really cool. First up, this box I actually just received from Lee Hedges, very famous in the Type 34 community. Ooh. Okay. Oh, awesome. We have these, I forget exactly what these are called, but this is part of the headlight assembly. A couple of gaskets, brand new gaskets. And here we have parts for the headlight. We've got this retainer ring here. And these are the reflectors for European style headlights. So obviously these are in kind of rough shape insofar as they just need to be re-silvered, like put the new reflective coating on here. But these are very solid. They just need to be lightly sandblasted. This is a reflector for the bulb. And what is this? Oh, okay. These are the bulb holders that go in the back. Okay, and then this. Oh yeah. These are the lenses. Okay. Another rare part. So European style headlights, you know, there's a reflector and there's a bulb and there's a lens, as opposed to American style, which is a sealed beam. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up very carefully because these parts are worth more than their weight in gold. They're really expensive, really rare, hard to find. So I want to thank Lee Hedges for selling these to me. This is great. Next box. And I have a feeling I know what's in here. I'm going to open this very carefully without doing a Zorro job on the stuff inside. Just trying to get this out without damaging it. I recognize the name on here, Pedro. This is a gentleman who owns a Type 34 and sells a lot of parts. So this has passed through a few hands before it got to me. So it came from the Netherlands and it went out to California and then probably gave up on his project and sold it to me. Okay, let's see what we have. Wow, all right. Here we go. These are original door panels. They're still in very nice condition. So these are the rear panels right here. These are in awesome condition. I'm really impressed, really happy with that. And they look like they might be brand new. That's on a brand new backer board. It's stapled on there nicely. It's got new trim on it. Or maybe it's an original piece that's been put onto a new backer board, but that is looking really great. And then looking at the door panels here, these are a little dirty, but should be no problem to clean them up. This fabric is in exceptional condition for its age. It's not rotted, it's not torn. If you look on the back, this looks like an original panel. It's not in perfect condition because there's a crack right here, but I might just ignore that rather than go through the trouble of taking this off and trying to put it onto a new panel. Might just staple this down right here, which is no big deal. Staple that back down, and this will be good to go. Here's the passenger side. Really glad I bought this when I did. I jumped on it at the right time. Sometimes even if you don't have the money, you just have to strike while the iron's hot because something like this is not likely to come up again anytime soon. Next box. Let's see what's in here. Wow, all right. So, got seat covers. And I bought these from a guy, I think out in California or somewhere out west, because I'm on the East Coast. And he got these from Pedro. If you know anything about the world of Type 34. Pedro is the man. He restores Type 34 karmannghia, and he has more knowledge in his pinky than I have in my whole body when it comes to these cars. So I think I did message him on Facebook once, or I posted this, and he's like, "You're lucky to have these because I don't make them anymore." So this is really nice. It even has these strings in back, so you can get that effect on the seat where it's like there's like a tuck in it. There's like a little crease in the seat once it's installed. And it has these grommets here. The back is open because there's a hardboard piece that goes in the back of the seat with vinyl on it that gets screwed or clamped in. So this is really nice. So let's see what else. This is the passenger side bottom, and he even included, it's amazing, he even included the wire. The workmanship on this is really outstanding. It's really impressive. Okay, and I even have material for the back seat. So this looks like the backrest, and this is very similar to a Type 14 karmannghia. This looks like it goes on the same way. If you look at my video for karmannghia back seat upholstery, the staples go along here on the edge, and then this folds over on itself, and this goes over the top. And this looks like the bottom. All right, these are gonna go back in the box for safekeeping. Pedro, thank you. Okay, from Joel Mitchell from Type 3 Parts. Thank you, Joel. I know exactly what's in this box. All right, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. I got 4 of these. These are some Type 3 wheels, and they've been sandblasted and powder coated black. I don't know if you can get Type 3 wheels aftermarket. I know like J-Bugs and CIP1 sells 5-lug smoothies that are made in China, but I don't know if anybody reproduces these. But original is always best. I'm not 100% sure that this is correct for a 63 Type 34, but I'm sure it's close enough. Anybody out there watching this video, if you can please respond in the comments if this is right for a 63. It has 4 vents here on the side, and obviously 5-lug. The hubcap, there's no clips, it fits in here, but this looks really nice. Really happy with that. So this is going back in the box for safekeeping. Okay, next box. I have a feeling I know what's in this box. Extremely well packed, which I respect. It's my receipt. I won't say how much I paid in case my wife is watching. All right, here we go. We have an NOS muffler. Let's get this out of here. Okay, taking a closer look at this muffler, made in West Germany. Part number 4210444, and it fits a 1500 and a 1600. Manufactured by, I'm pronouncing this wrong, Leistritz, Leistritz. Sorry, don't know how to pronounce that properly. So right here is the preheater for the intake manifold for single port. So this is looking pretty awesome. All right, next up, straight from Deutschland, from a gentleman named Achim or Achim. I'm not really sure how to pronounce his name, so I apologize for that. I'm just a dumb American. I don't know how to pronounce German names. Anyway, let's open it up, see what's inside. Okay, it's very well packed. It's like Christmas Day over here. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, awesome. See, I didn't even remember I ordered these. These are some wiper blades, and these are NOS. It's got German writing on the back. This is pretty cool. All right, so I'm excited about this. These are original wiper blades. These are gonna look awesome. Okay, let's see what this is. I think this is a window regulator. Yes. I'm not really sure why I ordered this because my car already has a window regulator in it, but they are frozen. The window is stuck down. I might be able to get mine unstuck, but I went ahead and I bought this just in case. This appears to be, this came out of a 65 apparently, so right here. All right, let's see what else is in this box. Okay, awesome. Volkswagen hood ornament. Along with this clip, this is for the rear window trim, I believe. What's in here? Ah, it's a cute little picture on here. Knob inside. Nop inside. I think he meant knob, but let's see. Oh, okay. Shifter boot, because the one on the car is very worn out. Get this out. Okay, shifter knob. Nice. A few more goodies inside. Don't even know what this is. Oh, okay. This is nice. Very nice. This is for the front. This has been chromed. It's nicely painted here. VR, that means front right. Vors rects, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. And I have a pretty good feeling this is the left side right here. So, I've got the front right and the front left. This is awesome. Okay, last box right here. A lot of these parts came from the previous owner. So right away, we have tail light lenses, a brand new pair of them, which is nice. And I believe these are seals for the rear turn signals. I could be mistaken, but I think these are seals for the housing. And these are some front turn signal seals. And we have front turn signal lenses. I'm not sure what's in this box. Let's check it out. Okay, these are all the parts that were inside the glove box in my previous video. So I didn't leave them in the glove box. I put them here for safekeeping. This right here is a dome light. And I believe I acquired this for my Type 14 project, and I ended up not needing it. So I held on to this because I think this is the same for a Type 34. I'm hoping it's the same, otherwise it's in this box for no reason. Next we have this metal plate right here. I'm not really sure what this is for because I'm not super familiar with Type 34 parts. This is either for the hood or for the deck lid. Some kind of striker plate. I'm not really sure where it goes, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Okay, this is an extra gauge. This is a clock for a Type 34. It says right here, back cover broken, untested, $100. $100 for a broken clock. I'm not really sure what year this is for. This looks different than the one that's in my 63. So this is probably for a later year Type 34. Yeah, you can see this has got a cracked cover. It does have some value. I'm not sure if it's really worth $100, but it seems like everything for a Type 34 is $100 and up. Everything is made out of gold. So that's it. That's my unboxing video. That was really exciting. It was really fun to open this stuff up because I literally forgot what I had bought. It's been a couple of years since I got this stuff. And right now it's gonna go back into storage indefinitely until I find the time, the energy, and the money to finish up or even start the Type 34 project. Until then, I have to finish my Type 14, and I'm also working on a Beetle convertible flip, and that money is gonna be reinvested back into the Ghia projects. So please let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if there's any insights or details I'm missing about the parts that we just took a look at. And until then, until I start the Type 34, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Slow.